Zekelman Industries is a family of companies. Everything we do to deliver a better customer experience. All our products are made right here in North America, making it easier for our local teams to partner in ways that overseas companies simply can't. We love what we do and where we do it. That's something we're proud of. At Zekelman Industries, we're continuously evolving and optimizing services and products to create additional value for the markets we serve. Investing heavily in e-commerce, logistics, and inventory management tools for our customers. Constantly upgrading factory technology and doing so sustainably. Stabilizing the supply chain. Stewarding the environment. Being there. Answering the text. Picking up the phone. Understanding what people need and how people work. And that builds infrastructure. Builds community. That manufactures a better future.